In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thumbnail image to a blog post in Squarespace. We'll start from your Squarespace dashboard. First, click on Website. This is where you manage the main structure and content of your site. Once you're there, click on Pages so you can access the different sections of your website. Next, click on Blog. This will open your blog page and show the posts that are currently available. Find the post you want to update, then hover over it and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional options for that specific post. From there, click on Settings. Inside the post settings, you'll be able to manage the thumbnail image. If the post already has an image assigned and you want to replace it, click on Remove Image. This clears out the current thumbnail so you can upload a new one. After that, click on Add Image, then select the new image you want to use for the blog post. Once the image has been added, click on Image Editor. This is where you can make simple visual adjustments so your thumbnail looks more polished and fits your brand or style a little better. Start by adjusting the brightness. This helps make the image lighter or darker depending on how it currently looks. Then adjust the contrast. Contrast can help the image appear more defined by increasing the difference between light and dark areas. After that, adjust the saturation to control how vivid or muted the colors appear. If the image looks a little flat, a small increase can help, but it's usually best to keep it natural. Next, adjust the sharpness. This can make details stand out more clearly. Then adjust the blur if needed. In most cases, you'll want to use blur very lightly, since too much can make a thumbnail look soft or unclear. After that, adjust the highlights. This helps control the brightest parts of the image, which is useful if parts of the thumbnail look overly bright. Then adjust the shadows to improve visibility in darker areas. These final edits can make the image feel more balanced overall. Once you're happy with how the thumbnail looks, click Save. That will apply your changes and update the blog post thumbnail image. A quick tip here: when choosing a thumbnail, try to use an image that's clear, visually simple, and relevant to the post topic. Since thumbnails are often seen at smaller sizes, images with a strong focal point usually work best. And that's it. You've successfully updated the thumbnail image for a blog post in Squarespace.